All right, so first steps for the recall. You guys have seen this before. I'm gonna show you guys again with Rogan. I'm gonna start conditioning my markers, which is gonna be the go and the yes with me. And then once he's doing that really good, I'm gonna start bringing in my whistle. And once he's doing that really good, I'm gonna be putting him between my legs because that's what I want the finished product to be. So when I whistle, I want him to come back and come between my legs and lay down. So I'm gonna show you guys the process for that. Go. Good. Yes. You can follow me a little bit too, Isaac. Go. Yes. Go. Yes. This time I'm gonna lure him to go down my legs. Down him. Go. Come on. Yes. Go. Yes. Okay, I'm here. Move around. A lot of pain here. Go. Come on. Yes. Nice, bud. Good. 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 Go. Do it again here. Reload. Go. Come on. Go. Come on, go on, go on. Go. Come on. Go. Good. Good. Go. Come on. Good. Go. Yes. Oh.